Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Shopify themes and custom CSS edits, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall a Shopify theme, first, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section located on the left sidebar. Click on Themes to view your current and installed themes. Identify the theme you wish to uninstall. Click on the Actions button next to that theme. Select Delete from the drop-down menu. A confirmation dialog will appear. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete again. Next, to remove custom CSS edits, go to the same themes page. Locate the theme you want to modify. Click on the Actions button next to that theme. This time, select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the code editor, look for the Assets folder on the left side. Expand the Assets folder to find your CSS files. Common files include theme.scss.liquid or styles.css.liquid. Click on the CSS file to open it. Carefully review the sections containing your custom edits. You can either delete specific lines of code or entire sections. If needed, make a backup of the original code before making any changes. Once you've finished removing the custom CSS, click Save in the top right corner. Finally, refresh your store's front end to ensure the changes have taken effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.